It's Arrma Day. I haven't driven this thing in such a long time. Oh, jeez. Oh, almost. Don't waste your battery. You missed it. Nice. Heads up. Oh, right off the fence, yeah. Oh. No, it's actually still good. Wow. All right. Damn. All right, we're just gonna put that right back, just like that, like nothing happened. All right, I think the servo is down. Oh no, it just got unplugged. Yeah. Oh, my battery died. Oh. Better watch out. Front flips are for death. Front flips are for death. Because they usually go in like a barrel roll. Uncontrollable one too. Yeah, real ready. You're good. Oh no! Oh no! Is that an RPM?
I know exactly what broke too.
Ah.
The cheap hinge pin. Yeah. Oh, I need to find that axle, dude.
Oh yeah, well, I don't know if we'll find it. Crap.
Fatality.
Got it. Looks to be in good condition too. Yeah, all right. We're good. Yeah. All right. I have not bashed this thing yet, so who knows? Woo! I like it. Oh, watch out. Couldn't steer. Oh.
That thing's really fast, dude.
I thought you were going towards the ramp. Oh, don't hit me, bro. Oh, nice. Heads up. Oh no, that was not a good landing. I'm definitely gonna break a control arm. I don't know about you. Oh, I saved it. Is that high geared?
No, dude.
I lost power. Oh, I thought you were gonna nail that. I broke my janky strap, so I guess the 4S is going into the big rock.
Oh, I blew my front diff.
R.I.P. Still flies. 4S big rock. Too much power. Oh man. Something happened. Might have overheated it. Oh man, it's cooking. Yeah, I smoked the fan.